What can managers do? An organization's culture is relatively fixed in the short term. Change should involve a long-term plan and the support of top leaders. Without their support, the changes probably won't stick. Hire people whose values align with the organization's values, and then train them very well. Use stories, rituals, symbols, and language to transmit the culture to new hires and to reinforce the culture with existing members. And finally, use evidence-based principles to create a more ethical and a more positive, productive organizational culture. The good news is that even though culture is resistant to change, investment in culture can positively affect many of the outcomes and behaviors that you learned about this semester.